Hey guys, my name is Noya and welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be continuing with part 2 of your personal English study plan. Last time, we looked at aspects of basic grammar, the first part of your study plan. In this video, we will focus on daily life conversation and useful phrases. So, let's go! English with Noya! Okay, so daily life conversation refers to topics that you will need to know so that you can have conversations about everyday things. Let's start with letters and sounds. Of course, you will need to know the letters in the alphabet and vowel sounds. This will help with reading and spelling so you can understand your environment and even be able to spell your name if you need to. Numbers serve a similar purpose to letters and sounds. They are used for understanding your world and for talking about topics like ages and dates of birth. Which brings us to days, months, and years. To discuss topics like birthdays, appointments, and holidays, you will need to learn the months of the year, days of the week, as well as the unique ways that years are said. For example, the year 1969, the 1800s, 2009, and 2021. Greetings are words and phrases used to salute someone. Just like in other languages, English has various ways to greet someone. Study different ways to say hi and even goodbye so you don't sound too repetitive. Also, find out how people greet each other on the phone, in formal situations, and informal situations. Of course, it is quite important to know how to talk about yourself as part of daily life conversation. Here are some topics you can use to decide what information you should learn to say about yourself. Now, let's get to useful phrases. I describe useful phrases as many words put together in a way that English speakers naturally would. This can help to prevent you from having to create a sentence in your head each time you want to say something. Instead, you can just use your useful phrases as common questions and have ready-made responses to common questions. Some questions you should learn to ask are questions people will ask you about yourself. The questions will be based on the same topics you saw in daily life conversation about yourself. Also, questions about daily life, which I also spoke about earlier in this video, and questions about travel. For example, places you have been to or places you want to visit or your favorite place to visit. Just as you should learn sentences and phrases about yourself, daily life, and travel, you should also learn how to answer them. Learning useful phrases can also help you to pick up on sentence structure and make it easier for you to ask questions you may have never learned before. So, that's it for your primary study plan. I hope this will be helpful to you and tell you where to start when studying English as a foreign language. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.